Oh my God, this is crazy. China invested $420 million to build one of the most profitable bridges, with tolls of $417,000 a day, or $140 million a year. The Haimen Bridge, as it is called, is 51,700 feet long and has a 15,000-foot main bridge with a two-way, 6-lane highway. It is the first large-scale suspension bridge in China and is known as the world's first span. The suspension bridge part of Haimen Bridge uses steel box welding, sharing more than 20,000 tons of steel. The main entrance path of the bridge is 196.8 feet high, and the bridge can pass 110 million-pound vessels in both directions. In the past, Haimen Bridge led a number of technological innovations in the history of bridge construction in China. Before the Haimen Bridge was built, vehicles on both sides of the strait could only rely on ferries, and after the bridge was completed, the driving distance was shortened by 390,000 feet. The advantageous geographical location has made Haimen Bridge the most profitable bridge in China. If you have the chance, you must see this magnificent bridge with your own eyes. It will definitely make you unforgettable.